We will now just indicate the various lamps and LEDs and what they mean. Our first one is our processing lamp. This will be illuminated when the kiln is firing and the program is on. Our second one is our warning lamp, indicating something may be misaligned with your program, but is not critical to running the particular program, and the program will continue. The third lamp is an error lamp. This is a fundamental error that may have occurred with your program or something with your kiln, and your kiln will switch off at this point. To give you an example, a thermocouple failure will start an error and will shut down your kiln. Your fourth one is your heating lamp. This is illuminated when your kiln elements are firing. That is not all the time, but you will hear that from your contactor coming on and off. Your fifth lamp is an auxiliary lamp that is used for various other options that are optional and can be fitted at a later stage to your kiln. Your other lamps here will be your temperature. This indicates that the data that you're inputting is of a temperature nature. Your lamp underneath is a time lamp. This will indicate that the data that you are entering is of a time nature. For example, if you have a soak that is done in minutes or hours, and that will illuminate in that particular field.